Hello, I'm IMPR. We are providing free of charge counseling about work permits for foreigners under temporary protection who are employees, employers, or business owners. We are implementing this project with the support of the Ministry of Labor and Social Security and UNHCR. In this video, we are going to explain how to apply for a work permit. If you are a foreigner under temporary protection and would like to apply for a work permit, you need to fulfill the following requirements. Have an ID card issued by the Turkish government with 99 as the first two digits of the ID number. Have been under temporary protection for at least the past 6 months when the application is submitted. Have been registered in the same city. Not have an ongoing work permit application. Applications for work permits for foreigners under temporary protection must be done by the employer via www.turkiya.gov.tr. If the foreigner under temporary protection starts a business, they should apply themselves. Foreigners who work in the agriculture and stock breeding sectors as seasonal workers must apply for a work permit exemption. They have to apply at the Provincial Directorate of Labor in the province where they are registered. Health service employees and education service employees must apply for a pre-permit at the relevant ministry before submitting their work permit application. The employer should enter www.turkiya.gov.tr with the password they received from the post office. From there, the employer should enter the application of
Yabancılar için çalışma izni.
Work permit for foreigners. The employer must enter in the system with an ID number and password that they get from the post office. The employer should create a user account for the workplace. For that, the employer should choose the right firm type on the first page, and they need to enter a Social Security registration number. After that, the information about the firm will appear on the screen automatically. On this page, the employer should choose just the sector of the firm. On the first page, you should enter the email address of the firm. But on the second page, you need to enter the contact information of the employer. On the third page, the employer should fill in the blanks for information about gains and losses. After the registration of the workplace, a confirmation email will be sent by the ministry to the email address which was entered in the system. After this, you can continue on the same page to apply for a work permit. When you return to the same page, you will see
Başvuru işlemleri.
The employer should choose the
Geçici koruma başvurusu.
On the first page, the ID number of the foreigner should be entered. After this, information about the foreigner will appear automatically. However, information about where they were born and information about their spouse must be filled in the blank spaces. On the next page, the employer should enter information about the position that the person being hired will fill, for how long and how much salary will be paid. The work permit can be issued maximum for 1 year. The address of the workplace should be entered on this page as well. On the next page, a contract signed between employer and employee must be uploaded into the system as a PDF file. On the last page, a photo of the foreigner should be uploaded on the system as a JPEG file. After these steps, the work permit application will be completed. The evaluation process is completed within a maximum of 30 days. If the application receives a positive evaluation, an informative email will be sent with a reference to fees on deposit. The payment receipt does not need to be submitted to the ministry. Once the process is completed, a work authorization card will be issued and sent via courier to the address specified in the application. After this process, the employer must start to pay the worker's insurance in 30 days. If you would like to get detailed information, you can visit our offices located in 9 provinces: Ankara, Istanbul, Bursa, Gaziantep, Hatay, Izmir, Mersin, Batman, Şanlıurfa, and you can also contact us through email at calismsd maizni@imprhumanitarian.org. Our livelihood assistants are always ready to help and assist you.